Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x to the power of 6 is equals to x minus 1 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as, here we move this x minus 1 to the power of 6 into the left hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 6 minus this is x minus 1 to the power of 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we rewrite this equation as, we write this power 6 as x cubed and its whole square, minus we write this term as x minus 1 cubed and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So after applying this formula, our above equation is written as in this form. So we have this is a minus b, the value of a is x cubed minus b is x minus 1 cubed into a plus b. Again our a is x cubed plus plus b is x minus 1 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x cubed minus x minus 1 cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we write x cubed plus x minus 1 cubed is equals to 0, and we call this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So here we solve these two equations one by one, and now here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and in equation number 1 we apply here this cubic formula. You know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square, and you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we just substitute the values of a and b into the right hand side, and it will becomes, first you have a minus b, the value of a is x minus the value of b is x minus 1 into, again we have a square, a is x square plus a is x and b is x minus 1 plus b square, so b is x minus 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we multiply this negative sign on both of these values, and it will becomes x minus x plus 1 into this is x square plus we multiply x on both of these values, and it will becomes x square minus x, and plus here we expand this formula, it will becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. And now you see here this is the negative x and positive x are cancelled out by each other, and here we get only 1, and 1 time of this number becomes here this whole equation, and here we add x square plus x square plus x square becomes 3 times of x square, this is minus x minus 2x becomes minus 3x, and here we get only 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now we get here this is the cubic equation, and from here this is the quadratic equation, and here we use the quadratic formula and we easily get the roots of this equation. For this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 3, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to plus 1, and we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute the values of a, b and c in this equation, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3, so this is minus times minus becomes plus 3, and plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 3 and minus 3 square becomes 9, minus 4 times of a is 3 and c is 1 divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 3. So here we need more simplifications and we easily get the roots of this equation. So we get here 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 3 becomes 12 divided by 2 times 3 becomes 6. So here we obtain 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 12 becomes minus 3 divided by 6. And from here we easily get the values of x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 3, and here we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root it will becomes iota and it is divided by 2. So these are the first two complex roots of the given equation which we get here from equation number 1, and now here we need to move towards our second equation. So you see that this is our second equation. We need to copy down this equation here. So from equation number 2 we have, so after copy down it will becomes x cubed plus x minus 1 cubed equals to 0. So here we apply another cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square, and you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So after applying the cubic formula, this will be written as so we have, first you have a plus b, the value of a is x plus b is x minus 1 into a square. A is x square minus x into x minus 1 plus x minus 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we add these two values and x plus x becomes 2x minus 1, and here we have x square. We multiply this x on both of these values and it will becomes minus x squared and plus x. This is minus times minus becomes plus, and here we expand this this nice formula. It will becomes x squared minus 2x plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we have, this is 2x minus 1 times this negative term and positive are gone, and we get here this is x squared. This x minus 2x becomes here minus x, and we get here plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 2x minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of x is equals to 1 over 2. So this is the third root of the given equation which we get here from second equation. And here we need to apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. For this we write the coefficients of this equation, and these are a equals 1, b equals minus 1, and c is equals to plus 1, and we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c, and it will be written as x is equals to minus b. This is minus 1, minus times minus becomes plus 1, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a is also equals to 1. And in the next step we have, this is 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square becomes 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So here we easily get the other values of x are 1 plus minus, this is 1 minus square root of 3 divided by 2, and here we get x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and from equation number 2 we get here the three roots, that is one is real and other two are complex. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.